Managing investment properties in Charleston can often feel overwhelming. From securing dependable tenants to handling repairs and staying updated with the latest landlord regulations, it's practically a full-time job. That's exactly what it is for us. By partnering with our team, you'll gain an in-depth review of your investment portfolio, coupled with comprehensive guidance and expertise right from the start. We take on the brunt of the work, from tenant management to maintenance, to provide a smooth and stress-free experience for both you and your tenants. Our market analysis helps landlords and us make data-informed decisions about their rental property, including rate estimates and other information, so they can invest and manage their investment property more wisely. Ready to grow your investment? Submit your information for our Property Management Charleston, South Carolina specialist to reach out with a customized rental plan and next steps. Or call our team at 843-804-9991